In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email signature in Pipedrive CRM. 5 minutes. Let's get you set up from scratch. Start by heading to pipedrive.com. On the home page, choose Login and sign in with your usual account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the Pipeline or Deals view. If you can see your board of deals, you're in the right place. A polished signature saves time, builds trust, and keeps every message on brand, so let's configure it properly. Next, look to the top right corner and select your account icon. From the menu that opens, choose Personal Preferences. This is where you control your individual settings, including email tools. In the Preferences area, open Email Sync. That section manages your connected mailboxes and also houses the signature settings we need. Click Add Signature. A signature editor will appear. First, give your signature an internal name so you can identify it later. Clear labels make life easier, especially if you plan to create more than one version for different teams or occasions. Now compose the actual signature content. Keep it clean, professional, and easy to scan. Aim for a simple hierarchy. You're identifying details, your role, your organization, and optional links such as your website or key social profiles. A concise call to action can help, for example, a short line that links to a booking page or resource using meaningful link text instead of long URLs. If you include a logo or a small headshot, use a lightweight image to help emails load quickly and look consistent across devices. Aim for a layout that looks great on mobile by keeping line lengths short and avoiding wide tables. Stick with standard fonts and a limited color palette that aligns with your brand, and avoid pasting formatting directly from a document. Use the editor's tools instead to prevent odd spacing. If your organization requires a compliance or confidentiality note, place it in a smaller secondary line so it doesn't distract from the essentials. Consistency matters, so mirror your brand style guide and keep the design minimal. When you're happy with the layout, formatting, and links, click Save. Your new signature is now stored in Pipedrive and will be available when you compose or reply to emails from within the platform. If you ever want to adjust the wording, swap an image, or build a separate version for another context, come back to Email Sync and edit or add a signature using the same process. That's all it takes. You visited pipedrive.com, signed in, navigated to your personal preferences, opened Email Sync, added a signature, named it, designed it, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sending polished, branded messages right from Pipedrive.